The Spectrum Cable Box E-7 error means your box isn't receiving a signal, preventing you from watching TV. It's essentially a no signal or tuner error. This happens because the cable box can't detect a valid signal from the coaxial cable. Here you can see what coaxial cables look like inside, showing their components that can degrade over time. There are several reasons for this: physical disconnections, damaged or degraded cables, or issues upstream, like a faulty splitter or even problems with Spectrum's equipment. This diagram shows how a splitter distributes the signal, which can be a point of failure if faulty. The error may also be tied to internet connectivity in hybrid setups or during times where cable networks may be strained due to high traffic. Identifying the root cause is the first step to fixing it. First, power cycle the cable box by unplugging it for 30 seconds. This often resolves temporary glitches. Next, check all coaxial cable connections, ensuring they are tight and undamaged. Consider bypassing any splitters to see if they're the issue, or use a signal booster if needed. For a more in-depth diagnosis, you can use Spectrum's Signal Meter tool in their app to check signal levels, aiming for -15 to +15 dBm. If these steps don't work, contact Spectrum support for a signal check or equipment replacement, especially if you have an older cable box, as upgrading to a newer model can sometimes resolve the issue. Spectrum also offers a remote smart reset feature in their app to reboot the box remotely.